Now, we've been talking about risk entering the marketplace, and I've been talking about the fact that panic and problems are not going to come from the United States. They're going to come from overseas. And it's probably going to be the emerging markets. Now, Europe is not in good shape. Germany's certainly not in good shape. They're seeing that their exports are slowing down, and Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank, there's talk about merging the two. That's like merging two terrible banks into one terrible bank. They're having trouble. And of course, we talk about the emerging market. As the dollar goes up, the emerging markets has trouble servicing their debt. Now, we talked about Turkey, we've talked about Argentina, but some of the darlings of the investment world were the BRICS. That's Brazil, Russia, India, and China, and billions and billions and billions of dollars went into those marketplaces. And as the dollar gets stronger, and as there starts to be a little bit of turmoil in the emerging markets, which we've had since June, you start seeing capital fleeing those marketplaces, and it becomes a liquidity problem. People can't pay their debts, and the fact that they can't get more loans. They also have trouble servicing the loans because the loans are now more expensive because the U.S. dollar has gone up. Well, now India today is in the news. The infrastructure leasing financial service company, a darling in India, defaulted on its loans today to the Yes Bank and the Dewan Bank. Now, these two banks lent them money, and of course, a default of any kind of size is going to cause problems for them. And the Royal Bank of India, their central bank, has now got involved, and it automatically tells you we're going to have trouble. Now, I'm going to tell you, they're going to be contagion right across all those other sectors. So all the finance companies and all the banking companies in India are going to have trouble. And you have international funds, so people are going to leave India from that, and they're going to go somewhere else. Where are they supposed to go? Probably come here. So you could see the dollar get stronger, and you could see the Dow go up a little bit higher, because capital is going to go to the safest place, and right at the moment, that would be the United States. So it's going to cause problems across the world. It's just a symptom that we're getting to the end of the business cycle. Now, last February, we discussed the fact that we probably would get a nominal new high. We had a 3,000 point drop in the Dow, and we're back up to just breaking out into new highs. This is a great place to exit. This is a wonderful place for you to take some money out of the marketplace and make it safe. If I had I would recommend moving it into a different asset class. Get it into something that's going to cash flow for you so that you get an asset, because I think we're going to see a little bit of contagion across the world. You're going to see business slow down. And if you're a businessman, or if you have a job that's maybe at jeopardy, always nice to have another cash flow, another stream of money coming in. And of course, that's what we can do, but it would be a different asset class. So you've done very, very well in the stock market, but it's at risk. So if I can help you in any way, give me a call. Bye-bye now.